Onwe ya karanda obi. Oh yeah, the guy can open that. In a two-job video. Here, but na four corner, men na four corner. I ain't Chinese, Mandi Shabo, Indi Shenugundi Shabia State. I do four corner when I'm the full and herdsmen and the goes on. Also, now, Hananda in about face to face. Hanandi police about the police are boss. Ndame will go motor haiba no Abia Buru Quendo to far. Ndo to far go here. I want to park is Reba Namamoto and cake kidnap on the way on email, a handshake in a can buffet. Obodano Abu Nigeria, what is it? 82 division of Eboda accorded. 82 division Enugu, Aquana side accord, or Enugu back on a forkona. Oberon the iPop, Nano or Sata. Oberon the SN, Aka gave us Ebanine. Different herdsmen now never know since April Mad this week, also on Aba. Since this week, I'm the one name, make tata. Since this week, also on Aba. Na fọkọ na Enugu State ebe a. O nwere fuzo si ana na-eke pọmasị si na ebe a na-ata afọ. Na motor park sira park. Mana agwa nwa na ka bụ one Nigeria. Do we still belong in this country? Na asị m na onwego you know for ebe a. Sari na oga go here. Ka ị ga-agwa m na gọvanọ adịrọ away. Mgbe asị na-eji helicopter ba drop ndị mmadụ n'ime ọhịa. Akwa na-ekwu ya oga Vera somsinashi. Na-eke ụmụ mmadụ na-ata afọ This morning, like mother was on our no road to go, also Taborochaco. Ndamina nego had an akuzi. Then I shoot to mad how Roku Gafe, and when I had you to win. Kebahano. Nay, name no Bodana. Batano say Yamaka. Batano say Yamaka, 82 division, Batano say Yamaka. This no Bundi Nigeria, Batano say Yamaka. Kerebu no, Kedin this na bondo to Buari, Kerebu no. Fulani herdsmen take go over our land though. ESN never bunu no biko ndanyere na ya ka no aka itukasiri obi. IPOP ebe bunu no danyere na ya ka no aka itukasiri obi. Mazi Samuel Ekpa ga anu nka very soon. Zeno si no ụzọ fọkọna ka ọ na-eme. Ụmụ Igbo adị agazi n'ụzọ fọkọna. Ụmụ Igbo na-ata afụ n'ụzọ fọkọna. Ọnụ ụzọ fọkọna ka block ụmụ ndị Fulani herdsmen in this week na-arụ ọrụ dị egwu na-akpa mkpamkpa. Ndị kidnapụrụ n'ụzọ akarigo. Moto ndị mmadụ ataga afụ n'ụzọ a. Onwezi ndị jizo ọkpachi imo ya na be 9.
We're going to Calabar. Okay. That's
How many people? They are not armed robbers, they are herdsmen.
They are not armed robbers. Okay. They are herdsmen. They are not armed robbers. They are herdsmen. They didn't come to rob us. They were just trying to drag us to the bush.
Okay.
You understand? They didn't ask for a dime or for any of our things. Okay. They wanted to kidnap us. They were with knives and guns.
Yeah.
So
okay,
as they took us, they were taking us to that direction. So I had to block the place. They are taking them to the forest now. They just entered there. Me and Brian and this myself there. So they were
okay, can some people go forest?
9 people. 9 people go forest. Then 6.
I can video you. What did just happen?
My brother herdsmen came out from the bush. I was in front going to Ekpa. He was coming from Ekpa to Calabar. Before we knew, we saw gunshots. They were shooting seriously. I had to use reverse. On my way coming, they shot one of my tire. Before I knew, he too came out from the front. That was how we hit. We collided back to back. So I ran out of the car into the bush. You understand me? On the process, they carried all my passengers. 6 passengers that were in my inside.
My brothers have been taken to the bush.
His brothers are included.
Wow, this is Cross River State on the road between Ugeb and Odupani. It's just happening live today, November 14th. Just now, just before 4 p.m. in the evening.
So my Correalistic people, a lot has been going on recently, and I thought it wise to let us know the latest development. This is the account from Kanu. As you can see, Kanu is a younger brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He just released this today and he said, the Abia state governor has planned with few individuals to burn down the family home of Nnamdi Kanu since they could not defeat him in their court. Can you imagine this? What did they really want? The court have ordered for the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu. The case has been discharged. They should forget about this case. But we see no reason why the federal government of Nigeria is still holding Nnamdi Kanu. Is Nnamdi Kanu the cause of their problem in the country? A case where justice said, this is my stand. This is what I want. This is how the case should go. I did not see anything in this case. You have to return Nnamdi Kanu to wherever you pick it from. And they don't want to return him. Take him to wherever you think that you kidnap him from or whatever. They don't want anything. They are just silent, just doing their own bidding. This is really unacceptable. It is high time for the federal government of Nigeria to know that what he's doing is really, really, really bad. It shows that the country don't obey the court of law. The country don't obey laws. The country don't obey anything. There is no rules and regulation whatever that is really in that particular country. Nobody cares about anybody. Nobody cares if things are going well or not. Nobody cares about what is happening, because what the leaders just do is to think about themselves and to see how to suit themselves. You will see whenever election is approaching, election is knocking at the door, you see everybody become humble. They respect the common man then. They tell the common man that your wishes are command. Whatever you said, stand. Anytime you are in need, come. Anytime you need this, the federal government of Nigeria is not doing it, come. Come, we will answer you. Just make me your president or your governor, and believe me, immediately they enthrone that throne. That is all. Immediately they are already in that throne. That is all. You have no sale anymore. If you are not even careful, they won't even realize that you particularly exist. So materialistic people, a lot has been going on, and there is a lot of robbing, a lot of kidnapping happening right now, especially in southeastern part of Nigeria, and have bring to you that see the plan of the federal government of Nigeria to burn down the house of family house of Nnamdi Kanu, and it's unacceptable. So please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.